Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got gaming and entertainment company right here in Jamaica. That's Supreme Ventures, ticker symbol on the JSE SVL. Trading in their shares, a sale here, small trade, but we love to cover it. Connected Party selling 4,000 shares, January 8th, 2021, just the other day to kick off the year. Next up, we got Kingston Properties, a company we don't cover too much, not seeing too much corporate action items for them in terms of trading their shares, but we're going to cover it today. They've been making some moves, doing some deals. There was a nice year-end message by the CEO, something that's new by them. We like that transparency by Kingston Properties getting out there. Senior manager purchasing, buying 1,200 shares, January 6, 2021. Now, iCreate Institute coming out with a huge announcement here, a press release early in the year to get 2021 rocking and rolling. It's titled, or it's worded very critically, to pivot and growth with a lot of initiatives for 2021. We're going to cover the main things that we're seeing and analyzing here on Business Live for iCreate Institute. So it goes into creating a city initiative, talking about partnership with some lands in New Kingston, and talking about a huge figure, Jamaican dollars, $1 billion. So huge number, psychologically huge as well, $1 billion. Now, it talks about Reggae Sunsplash Festival, that's a music festival, was done virtually. Got something like over 300,000 views, probably even more hits or so, or viewers, and also acquisition of our e-commerce company, Mobile Edge Solutions. So a lot of headlines here, a lot of initiatives for 2021. We want to see them kind of progress, see what the earnings are, not just the qualitative headlines. So good luck to iCreate here, still a young company on the JSE. So we've got to see what the numbers are and look like for the next couple of quarters going forward. Now, overseas markets in the US, Shake Shack delivering here a surprise, a better than expected fourth quarter or Q4. Shake Shack, well-known burger chain. You go in the US, you see them, lines down the lanes, down the sidewalks, down everywhere. Persons love Shake Shack. So it's a surprise here, beating a lot of analyst estimates. Revenues coming in higher after a lot of dismal quarters. Revenues rose 4% to US dollars, $157.5 million US dollars, and that's for the quarter, not the year. Last up, in terms of US markets, General Motors. Talk about a turnaround here in terms of brand image, everything. Of course, analysts, market pundits are going to say, well, they're just kind of catching up with Tesla. Maybe they're copying Tesla here a bit. But we're seeing here General Motors, GM, relaunching their logo, relaunching their brand. It's much more, slick. It's much more fitting for markets today, but it has a little bit look of Tesla. So interesting stuff here after many years and what was happening in the whole auto car market. So what's really happening here is a big news is electric vehicle. It's called EV. That's all the buzz. A bit late to the game, we're going to keep saying that, but it's a commercial van unit called EV600. The plan is they're going to launch it by the end of the year. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.